Ni mucemanio wa kuthomithia gwati itemi kuma sekta itiganite kaunti ya Embu aria magatumika gutuithania maciira na kuvecana kihoto kigananiriku kwi andu aria magakoragwo magicaria ihoto nja wa igoti. Mathomo mau maria maratabanitwo ni ruvongo rwa kibũrũri rwa kũhuranira ihoto cia kiumundu na ngwatanĩro na igoti ya Embu uratanya kunyihia maciira maria magoti-ini na ũndũ ũmwe na kunyihia ngarama na kavinda karia maciira mocaga mbere ya gutuithanwa.
Our constitution encourages the use of both, alternative dispute resolution mechanisms as well as the litigation processes, and therefore the objective of this is to build that capacity, help them to network amongst themselves, and then be able to now reach out even to other institutions to be able to break down the cost of accessing justice.
Mworoto wingi wa mathomo mau ni kuvotithia gwati itemi gutucania ciira gutekunanga ihoto cia kiumundu huku magitigagirira maciira mamwe ta ma kunyitwo kia vinya ni mararumirira mutaratara uria wigitwo kiwatho.
We know there are certain cases that, especially those of criminal nature, that should go through the litigation process, and therefore we will not encourage them. And part of what we are doing, the capacity building, is to remind them that certain aspects like defilement and rape and all that should not be resolved through alternative justice systems but through the litigation process.
Kuringana na ruvongo rwa kuhuranira ihoto cia kiumundu vururiire maciira mengi vururiire matuithanagia nja wa igoti huku makiuria acirithania na majanji gutara muingi gukumbatiria mutaratara ucio.
And judges and magistrates have been encouraging people to consider resolving their disputes first through the alternative justice systems in their obligation under the constitution to promote the application of these mechanisms.
Kaunti ya Embu mutaratara ucio nukoretwo ukiruta wira kuma mwaka wa 2029 na mwaka wa 2020 no ateithirie gutucania maciira 196 kwi maciira 224 maria igoti ya Embu riavecanite kwiguo.
Within Embu County, just in the year of 2020, we were able to refer 224 matters and we resolved 196. These resolutions are where we have had full settlements and partial settlements.
Niguo kugacĩrĩria mutaratara ucio makiria gutiria Embu na ngwatanĩro na gwati itemi ni uratanya kuthomithia gwa kavinda gakime kimwe na kuva marua acirithania muingi aria makavotagithia gicunjĩ kinene kia muingi kugia kihoto. Vandore va Kameme TV ni kaunti ya Embu Nyebeta Dennis Fundi.